We turn to the back office of the web solution for application approval or rejection. We will approve, but before we need to note the results from the technical analysis. The name of an officer who completed the analysis needs to be inserted. The date and the results can be added, plus any comments. Before approval, the license is exempt from payment. However, in this instance, we want the customer to pay for the license. Once approved, the system will calculate and link the quotation for the application and display this to the customer. The Processing tab links to the invoice, including invoiceable object, paid status, and the link invoiceable object allows us to check which fees applied to this application. For station assignment fee for equipment, application fee for processing the application, and a usage fee for Spectrum usage. This forms allows us to process the invoice, but also the system allows the customer to create and issue an invoice for themselves and pay online. On the customer front office site, the application is now approved. The operating license is currently in draft and pending payment. All the fields are disabled. We can see that the payment status and the link to the quotation. Also in the notification pane, we can see the cart icon with a red light showing one quotation available. The quotation is available under the billing option. This lists all the unpaid applications that are listed. Let's check our application. This is the same object as the back office, which was called invoiceable object. Here, this is referred to quotation on the customer-facing side. The station assignment fee for the 2 equipments, applications for 2 frequencies, and the Spectrum usage fee for the Spectrum band used for the application. Once the customer wishes to pay, they proceed to invoice, to issue the invoice themselves. The invoice is created and posted. The print form can be downloaded and used for other purposes. The red light in the cart is now gone and we see we have no unapproved license applications, but we have a red light in the checkout item, which means we have an unpaid item. This unpaid item, highlighting the one we wish to pay for, click on the green button to make payment. We can click on the green payment button to make payment. We're now in the payment gateway, which is connected to the back end of this. Any payment gateway can be connected depending on the customer requirements. We select a card for payment, complete the details, click Pay. Once complete, the system redirects us back to our payment page. The payment is complete. This page, we have a link to the invoice for the application. Finally, we have the print form, which can be downloaded. Let's check the invoice. As you can see, this has been paid and it has a 0 balance. The application can be assessed here. The status is updated to paid and payment date is completed. The invoice appears here instead of the quotation. Link to the operating license. Check the details, the list of frequencies and applications. The operating license is now issued.